To begin an exercise program, you should complete a readiness assessment to see where you're at in your physical fitness level. It's a good idea to have a baseline to see where you start from, to have that to measure your progress as you continue to exercise to see if you've made any improvements. And you might need to adjust your activities, and this can also help motivate you. According to the VO2 max, my personal results compared to others in my age was good. I could not find my age range in our book, so I pulled up the VO2 max at Why I Exercise website. I was happy with the results since now I realize I don't exercise as much as I should. But I think I do pretty well for a woman my age that's had 2 major heart attacks and quadruple bypass surgery and have been living with diabetes for 50 years. If I had more time for exercising, I'd love to do some hiking. In Oregon, we have many beautiful trails that lead to waterfalls. And I've been on several of them. They're not too strenuous for me. The walk is beautiful for a mindfulness activity, and they're a little hilly, which gives me more of a workout. So incorporating that and some more yoga or Tai Chi and some meditation and lifting a few weights during the week, that would be a well-rounded exercise program for me at my level and what my doctor recommends. If your lifestyle consists of junk food and your body is not getting nutrients that's needed, and you live a very unhealthy way, it's going to be difficult to have the energy or even the willingness to get physically active. For me, I live a pretty healthy way in my nutrition. I don't lack energy, and I basically just lack the time. This does worry me as I get older because I want to have the energy to be able to hike and enjoy the outdoors. After my health scares, I've always felt like I was living on borrowed time. I hope to be able to retire soon so I can start living. The other dimension of wellness comes into play when I can squeeze it in. I don't like the term squeezing it in, but that's how it is. The social dimension helps keep people from feeling depressed. I don't suffer with depression, and I hope I never will. I try to get together with friends as often as I can. One of the activities that I do with my Blue Zone group is that every other month we have a Friends at Five gathering. It was originally called Wine at Five, but since we don't drink, we changed the name. There's about 30 people that gathers for appetizers and non-alcoholic drinks. People stay for 10 minutes or 2 hours. It's just a chance to socialize for a bit, and it usually is a blast. It helps to relieve stress, and I also put it in the category of intellectual wellness, since the idea is to meet others and to have conversations and to learn about other people. I met an 80-year-old woman that owns 3 farms in the area, and she told me she has over 100 acres, and she takes care of it all by herself. Pretty amazing, I thought. She shared with me a bit how she handles things, and she enlightened me on some of her processes with organic farming. I felt that that was an intellectual and environmental dimensional session that we had. So for that one activity, I combined many dimensions of wellness, and it was so much fun. I also neglected to say that I parked my car about a block away, so I got in some physical activity. And also they had some bean bags that a lot of us were just having fun and throwing them into buckets and stuff. So it was a really great time. I enjoy being able to do an activity and incorporate all these wellness dimensions in one.